Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change date and time in Windows 11 in a very simple way. You can do it in Windows 10 also. Just simply come over this date and time option over here, click on the right mouse button, and here you will get an option called adjust date and time. So click on that, and here is your date and time windows will be open. And now you can see there is an option called set time automatically. If you turn it off, and then if you click on this second option called set the time and date and time manually, so if you click on the change, this kind of windows will be open. You can just simply change the date and time which is correct for you, and then click change, and your time and date will be changed into your Windows 10 and 11 in a very simple way. So this way we can set time and date into your Windows 10 and 11 in a very simple way. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will pursue another videos. Till then, goodbye.